Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video, tutuloy natin yung ating series on arithmetic sequence at dito sa video na to ay solve natin yung problem na nakikita niyo sa inyong screen. No? So, in the arithmetic sequence 1, 5, 9, 13, and so on, no? Which term equals 153? So, ano kaya yung ano pa kaya ibig sabihin ng which term na ito? No? So, tignan natin dun sa formula. Alam natin that the formula for finding the nth term of an arithmetic sequence is t sub n is equal to t sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. No? Where t sub 1 is the first term. By the way, panoorin yung mga previous video, no? Pang-apat na itong video na to, and mas maganda kung panoorin nyo yung sunod-sunod, no? Mas mag-gets ninyo yung paano mag-solve ng mga problems. So t sub 1 is the first term, n is the number of terms. And d is the common difference. Oh, common. No, not common, but constant. Lagi akong constant difference. Okay. And of course, t sub n is the nth term. No? So, dito, ang t sub 1 natin, or first term, no? I think malinaw naman na yan ay 1, di ba? And then, yung number of terms natin, hindi natin alam. I think yun ang unknown natin, no? So, this is unknown. Ang d natin is the constant difference. Ano yung difference ng mga consecutive terms? So, 5 minus 1 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4, 13 minus 9 is 4. So, ang d natin, or the constant difference, is 4. And ang t sub n natin, or the nth term, no, yun ang ating 153. So, we are looking for n, no, yung number of terms niya. Pang ilang term niya, kumbaga, yung 153. Okay? So, isa-substitute lang naman natin dito sa formula na to, no, to look for n. So, t sub n is equal to t sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, no? Wala tayong t sub, meron na pala tayong t sub n, no? We have 153. Ito yung t sub n natin, and then equal, what is our t sub 1? We have 1. Plus, ang n natin, wala, di ba? N minus 1 times d. Ang d natin ay 4, no? So, simplifying, we have 153 is equal to 1 plus, pwede nating i-distribute to by distributive property. We have 4 times n. We have 4n minus 4 times 1 is 4. No? So, magiging 153 is equal to 4n, positive 1 tsaka minus 4. Magiging minus 3, di ba? So, 4n equals, mag-plus 3 tayo on both sides, tapos balik rin natin. 4n equals 156, no? So, nakita nyo ba? Nilipat ko yung 3 doon, 156. Tapos binaliktad ko lang yung position ng 4n tsaka itong number, no? So, 4n. So, n is equal to, dividing both sides by 4. 4n over 4. 156 over 4. So, 4n over 4. Mag-n na lang matitira. And then, 156 over 4, we have 156 over 4, we have 3. We have 12, and we have 36. We have 39, no? So, ang n natin ay 39. 39. Ibig sabihin, 153 is the 39th term. 39th term of the arithmetic sequence of the given arithmetic sequence. Okay, so I think that's it. Nasagot na natin yung ating tanong kung pang ilang term siya. We have the 39th, yung pinakasagot natin. And we will proceed to the next problem sa susunod na video. Bago tayo magtapos, gusto ko yung imbitahan sa zip9.com, and of course, kung gusto niyo mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, you can just click the subscribe button below the video para mas informed kayo pag may bago tayong video. Maraming salamat and see you in the next tutorial.